plan was to have healthcare providers and the chronically ill in Alabama vaccinated by December. Healthcare providers got the shot, but those with chronic illness are still waiting. NBC 15's James Gordon joins us now with a look at what could be a deadly waiting game for some patients, James.
You know, back in November, state health officials really had hoped that all chronically ill patients would have been vaccinated by now, but like we said, that hasn't happened, and it has some of their doctors worried for their patients. All across Alabama, from the small towns to the big city, doctors are worried for their patients. Dr. Marsha Rollison, who practices in Bruton, says she tried to get the vaccine for one of her patients who has a chronic kidney condition.
And I wanted her to get the vaccine, and she is 63 years old. So 2 days ago, I called 4 different places trying to get the vaccine for her, and I was told that they could not give it to her because she was not in a group that was approved at this time.
There are likely more cases just like this one in other parts of the state.
The problem is there's not enough vaccine to go around.
State health officials have been warning the vaccine supply is limited and is now vaccinating those age 75 and older, police and firefighters, and medical workers.
That's between 650 and 700,000 people.
So those with chronic illnesses will be included in the next phase. Doctors who fear their chronically ill patients could die if they get the virus are having to ask their patients to sit tight.
I think we're going to have to be patient, but we need to keep up with the availability of the vaccine so that as soon as there is adequate vaccine, people with chronic illnesses can get that vaccine.
And from the federal level to the state level, the push is to get more vaccine out there as soon as possible. For now, we're live in Baldwin County. James Gordon, NBC 15 News.